Hi, this is the Ulefone Armor X7 Pro and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first open the Gmail application and tap to the right upper corner. To log out from the Gmail application, we should first log out from Google account on our device. And to do that, tap to manage accounts on this device, click to your Google account and tap to remove. Confirm your action. Are you sure? If you use some protect methods, just enter them. Now we just successfully log out from the Google account, so let's go back to the Gmail app and we could see that we also successfully log out from the Gmail application. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.